In front of me is an Vernee Apollo Lite, and today I will show you how to reset network settings. So to get started, open up your settings and scroll almost all the way down to backup and reset. And from here you will find network settings reset. Tap on that and it will give you a message what will reset. So you can see Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth. Now for the two, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it will actually disconnect you from anything that you're connected and literally forget the devices or passwords. So any network that you're connected, the passwords will be gone. Bluetooth, all the devices will be disconnected, while cellular data literally means nothing. It disconnects and automatically, immediately after it reconnects back up. There is, well, not really anything that you need to do as long as you have a SIM card. So the middle one means literally nothing, while the two other ones you will need to reconnect and re-add the passwords. So once you're ready, tap on reset settings and once more reset settings, and the process will begin. And it's a automatic one, so it's almost immediately finished. And just go back and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.